Hello, food lovers. Welcome to a delicious journey back in time, where the heart of the home was the kitchen and every meal told a story. Today, we're celebrating the simple, soulful dishes that nourished generations before us, meals that were born out of necessity, creativity, and a whole lot of love. Today, we're diving into 30 forgotten, budget-friendly 3-ingredient meals that helped our grandparents get by. These recipes were staples during tough times, when pantries were sparse, but spirits remained high. With just a handful of ingredients, families managed to create dishes that were both filling and flavorful, proving that you don't need a long grocery list to make something memorable. These dishes are edible heirlooms, each one brimming with nostalgia and resourcefulness. Passed down through generations, they connect us to our roots and remind us of the warmth of home-cooked meals shared around a crowded table. Every bite is a taste of history, a tribute to the ingenuity of those who came before us. If you've ever wondered how folks made it through lean times without sacrificing comfort or flavor, you're about to find out. These recipes are proof that, even in the hardest of times, families found ways to come together and enjoy good food. They made do with what they had, turning simple staples into cherished favorites that still bring smiles today. There's something magical about meals that call for just 3 humble ingredients. It's a reminder that sometimes, less truly, is more. These recipes highlight the beauty of simplicity, letting each ingredient shine and come together in perfect harmony. They remind us that great food doesn't need to be complicated or expensive. In fact, some of the most comforting and satisfying meals are the simplest ones, made with love, care, and a dash of ingenuity. These dishes are a testament to the power of tradition and the joy of sharing food with those we love. What 3-ingredient meals did your grandparents make? Share your family recipes and stories in the comments below. Let's keep these delicious traditions alive and inspire a new generation to appreciate the magic of simple, home-cooked food. Let's start with a true comfort classic, potato soup. This dish is the very definition of simple, hearty food, and it's been a staple in kitchens for generations. When the weather turns chilly and you crave something warm and filling, nothing beats a steaming bowl of potato soup. It's like a hug in a bowl, bringing back memories of family dinners and cozy evenings by the fire. All you need are potatoes, onions, and water, or broth if you've got it on hand. These humble ingredients are likely already in your pantry, making this soup both affordable and accessible. If you want to add a little extra flavor, a clove of garlic or a bay leaf can work wonders. Peel and chop your potatoes into even chunks, and slice an onion thinly. The preparation is straightforward, and there's something soothing about the rhythm of chopping and peeling in a quiet kitchen. Add everything to a large pot, cover with water or broth, and bring it to a gentle simmer. Let the potatoes and onions cook together until they're soft and tender, filling your kitchen with a comforting aroma. Once the vegetables are cooked through, mash them lightly right in the pot. You're not looking for a perfectly smooth puree. Leave some texture for that rustic, homemade feel. Stir well to thicken the soup naturally. Season generously with salt and pepper, and if you have it, add a knob of butter for richness. The butter melts into the soup, making it silky and even more comforting. You can also sprinkle in some fresh herbs if you like. Serve your potato soup piping hot, ladled into big bowls. This simple meal has filled bellies and warmed hearts for generations, especially on cold evenings when everyone gathers around the table, sharing stories and savoring every spoonful. Next up, we have fried cornmeal mush, a breakfast that's as filling as it is frugal, and a dish that has stood the test of time. For generations, families across rural America relied on this humble meal to start their day, especially when money was tight and ingredients were scarce. It's a dish born out of necessity, but one that's become a symbol of resilience and resourcefulness. To make it, you simply combine cornmeal with water and a pinch of salt, stirring constantly as it cooks over gentle heat, until it thickens into a hearty porridge. Once it's thick and smooth, pour the mixture into a loaf pan and let it cool and set overnight, transforming it into a firm, sliceable loaf. The next morning, slice the loaf into thick pieces and fry each one in a hot skillet until the outside is golden and crisp, while the inside stays creamy and tender. The contrast in textures makes every bite satisfying, and the aroma of frying cornmeal fills the kitchen with warmth. Even served plain, cornmeal mush is a testament to the ingenuity of our foremothers and fathers, who made the most of what little they had. It's a dish that brings families together, reminding us of simpler times and the power of creativity in the kitchen. Whether topped with a drizzle of syrup, a pat of butter, or enjoyed just as it is, fried cornmeal mush proves that with almost nothing, you can still make something truly delicious and nourishing. A breakfast that celebrates both thrift and tradition. Beans and rice. Perhaps the most iconic budget meal the world's ever known. Cook beans until tender, stir in cooked rice, and add a bit of fat or seasoning if you have it. Hearty, stick to your ribs fare that gets better the longer it simmers. Leftovers, even better the next day. Egg drop soup is the original fast food. Quick, nourishing, and oh so satisfying. Simmer broth, drizzle in beaten eggs, and stir gently to create delicate ribbons. Add chopped green onions for freshness. With only 3 ingredients, you get a bowl full of comfort and protein. Tomato gravy on bread is the very definition of making do. Start with canned tomatoes, thicken with flour, and pour over slices of bread. The bread soaks up the rich, tangy sauce, turning a humble meal into a feast. Try it with a sprinkle of black pepper or a pat of butter if you're feeling fancy. Cabbage and noodles stretch ahead of cabbage as far as it can go. Sauté sliced cabbage until tender, then toss with cooked noodles. The cabbage turns sweet and silky, the noodles soak up all the flavor. Season with salt, pepper, and maybe a dusting of paprika. Bread and milk might be the simplest supper of all. Tear up slices of bread and pour milk over the top, cold or warm. Some families added sugar or cinnamon, but even plain, it's all about comfort. It's a gentle reminder that sometimes, the simplest foods are the most comforting. Onion sandwiches are a bold choice, but one that packs a punch of flavor. Thinly slice raw onion, spread butter or lard on bread, and sandwich the onion in between. The sharpness of the onion and richness of the fat combine for a surprisingly satisfying bite. If you're feeling adventurous, give it a try. Potato cakes are the ultimate way to use up leftover mashed potatoes. Mix cold mashed potatoes with flour and an egg, form into patties, and fry until golden, crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy within. They're proof that nothing goes to waste in a thrifty kitchen. Oatmeal porridge is a breakfast classic that never grows old. Mix oats with water or milk and a pinch of salt, then simmer until thick and creamy. Top with sugar or fruit if you have it, but it's plenty good just as is. The best part? It kept you full till lunchtime. Cornbread, made from cornmeal water and baking powder, is a beloved staple. Mix into a thick batter, bake until golden and crusty. If you have honey or butter, all the better. The scent of baking cornmeal brings back memories of family gatherings. Apple fritters are proof that dessert doesn't have to be complicated. Slice apples, dip in a flour and egg batter, fry until golden, and sprinkle with sugar. Warm, comforting, and utterly delicious. They disappear fast. Rice pudding is as old-fashioned as it gets. Simmer cooked rice in milk with a little sugar until creamy. Serve hot or cold with a sprinkle of cinnamon if you're feeling fancy. Biscuits made with just flour, fat, and milk or water are a southern secret. Cut the fat into the flour, stir in the liquid, and bake until puffed and golden. Serve with jam, honey, or butter. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or sopping up soup. Pea soup, made from dried peas, water, and onion, is the definition of hearty. Simmer everything together until the peas break down and the soup thickens. A little salt and pepper is all you need. It's thrifty, filling, and a wonderful way to make a little go a long way. Pasta with butter and salt is the meal of childhood memories. Boil pasta, toss with butter, and sprinkle with salt. Creamy, rich, and unbelievably satisfying. Sometimes the best meals are the simplest. Milk toast is a soothing meal for young and old alike. Toast bread, lay in a bowl, and pour hot milk over the top. Gentle, warm, and easy to digest. It's like an edible hug. Fried potatoes are a universal comfort. Dice potatoes, fry in oil or fat, and season with salt. Cook until crispy outside and tender within. The sizzle of potatoes in the pan is a sound that still takes me back. Grits made from ground corn, water, and salt are the backbone of many southern breakfasts. Simmer until thick and creamy, serve hot, maybe with a pat of butter. Simple, comforting, and stick with you all morning. Pancakes need only flour, egg, and milk. Mix into a smooth batter, cook until golden on both sides, quick to whip up and endlessly satisfying. Stewed apples are a simple dessert or breakfast. Peel and slice apples, simmer with sugar and a splash of water until soft. Serve warm on their own or over biscuits or pancakes. Lentil soup made with lentils, water, and onion is pure, earthy comfort. Simmer until the lentils are soft and the soup is thick, affordable, filling, and packed with protein. Rice and eggs is a quick, protein-packed meal. Cook rice, fry or scramble eggs and toss together with a splash of oil. Even plain, it's delicious and filling. Tomato sandwiches are the taste of summer. Slice fresh tomato, layer on bread and spread with mayonnaise or butter. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. Juicy, tangy, and refreshing. Boiled cabbage is as straightforward as it gets. Chop cabbage, simmer in salted water until tender, and serve hot. Cheap, filling, and surprisingly satisfying. Bread pudding is the ultimate way to use up stale bread. Tear bread, soak in milk with sugar, and bake until golden and set, proof that nothing goes to waste in a thrifty kitchen.